Hi, Orion here, and I'm doing an unboxing of the Logitech K830, I believe, because I can't tell, as you can see, because it's plain packaging, but we'll find out. Let's see what we got here. They wrapped it up kind of nice. That's always good. We have what is this? USB. Yeah, it's to charge. I don't know what the hell you do with this. Charge it up. It's a micro USB to USB, and this is for if you want an extension. It's a USB, just a USB extension. And this is the dongle for it, or some people say a dangle. So there you go. I guess this is what they call frustration-free packaging from Amazon. Okay, I can dig it. Alright, let's continue, shall we? K830, there it is. Alright. Let's see what we got here. And keys feel great. Soft. You know, like most of the time it's mechanical. You can feel it real loud, but this feels really nice, real soft. Let's see, trackpad, another nice little feature here. Just feels nice and smooth, not like the other ones, like it's just like a hard surface, scratchy surface. This feels really sweet. I like it. Like almost like metal. It's plastic, but it feels good. And got the mute, got your volume up and down mute. Got the light here. I don't know if you could see that. See, there you go. And then the light right there. Nice little logo, Logitech. Yeah, I mean it's regular size keys. Looks good, feels good. You can use this with your Android TV, Shield. Like what I'm using it for is my Shield. Well, I'll be using it for my tablet too. Got a hybrid tablet. But you could use it for shit, this could replace your regular keyboard on your PC. I think it's that good. It's really pretty. I really like this. I'm not joking. You got your media keys up here. Let's take a look at them. Yeah, home key, return. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you, it can illuminate. It's backlit. I'll show you all that in a second. I haven't even turned it on yet. Alright, let's look here. There's your power button. That's where the micro USB goes. Got that right. Let's see what else we got here. The back. You don't usually look at the back, do you? Nice little silicone. Feels real nice and spongy. Real soft. It's not like padded. Has you know, it's very high quality feel to it. Even the back has a nice little weight to it. Nice size. I think we looked at everything. Okay. Alright. So let's move on. Oh. Okay, before I show you how to pair it, I wanted to show you the illuminated backlit keys. So here we go. So you can't see anything right now, can you? But watch this. Look at that. And it has two functions up here. Oh, it just went out on me. You can make it, see, that's bright and that's brighter. Two light functions. That is cool. You can take it off. Alright. I really like this keyboard, man. Goes out a little too quick, but and if you hook it up to Logitech software, you can see some other functions about it. Like you can look at the battery, how much battery life. If you hook it up to Windows, Logitech always has that. They have their own little software that you can has other features to it. So now let me show you how to pair it. Now you can use this dongle here to pair, to use it as what is it, 2.4, 2.8, whatever it is, gigahertz to, it's a RF, so you don't even have to be facing it. You just put that in whatever device you want to use, Android box, Shield TV, like I said, anything, tablet, phone, whatever has a USB. Put that in and it'll work. Now, if you don't want to use that, you can go with the Bluetooth, and that's what I'm about to show you here. As you can see, it says Bluetooth and other devices. That is my now discoverable as oh my god, now discoverable as desktop 7A7 whatever UOID. That's my RCA hybrid, whatever you want to call it, tablet, notebook. So let's get on with it. Let's pair this baby up. Now nobody shows this for some reason, the pairing process, but I got it upside down here. You have to hit the function. You have to hit function and delete, if I could find it. This function and deletes all. Man, I gotta use two hands. I don't have big hands. I gotta use my feet. Hold on one second. You see it right there, but let me hit it. Now you see how it's lighting? I mean, it's trying to pair up. So I guess we gotta check our Bluetooth screen here. Now certain devices you're not going to be able to, it's not going to just come on automatically. So like what's happening to me right now. So what you have to do, I guess maybe in Windows 10, you have to add it. So luckily I got a little cheapo one here, as you can see. She gets the job done. But let's turn this baby on, and then we're gonna, forgive me, I'm using one hand here, right there, add Bluetooth device. I spent so much money this month you guys wouldn't believe, but that's what life's all about. No, that's not what it's all about, but I don't know what the percentage is. For everyone's it's different, but above 50, I would say. Life's about fun, doing things you love, and just trying to enjoy life. And just like I'm enjoying looking at Wonder Woman right now. I don't know how I feel about her. Sometimes I think she's hot, and sometimes I don't know. I know her body's hot. I know that. I thought they would have chose like a girl with, you know, kind of like a athletic physique. Not that she doesn't have a nice body, but like, you know, like one of those Fitness America girls, you know, with the kind of got lean, muscular physique. I thought they would have chose someone like that, but yeah, she looks good. Oh, I forgot what I was doing. Okay. No, the problem is I'm getting some lag on my laptop with the Bluetooth, so I decided to pair it up with my Nvidia Shield. So we're gonna go there, and hopefully I'll have full Android OS. I already made a video about this. You're supposed to put add accessory, not Shield accessory. See, I told you, Adam. I never use this. I'm new. Got a little dirt on my screen. There we go. This is turning into a Bluetooth to pair. Type in 785 137. Yeah, that was the problem. You see, there's no lag now. That was the problem. There was a lot of lag on my notebook, and I think maybe because of the RAM, I have a lot of things connected to it. I got a lot of applications open, so maybe that could be it. Or maybe it just doesn't pair well. I don't know. I have to look it up. It really shouldn't be any lag on. Hopefully I don't have any porn on here. What's this? Save. Oh, you ain't saving no data on me. You ain't saving no data on me. No thanks. Hold on, it's so odd doing it this way. Okay, this was the hub. I thought you needed to install the hub, but you don't. It's called, I think it's just called Nvidia Games now. Games something. Games Hub. I don't know. But it's not called Hub anymore. I spent like an hour looking for it. Alright, where am I? What the hell's going on? Get this shit out of here. How do you stop those keys from coming up? You're messing everything up, man. Get away from here. I can't stop the keyboard from coming up, but you don't need to. I think you can actually, because I really don't want that. I don't want to see the soft keys, so I'm gonna do something about that. I'm gonna look it up. But this is I'm still using. Yes, this is still a review for the the Logitech K830, and it's working, as you can see. Things working. and no lag. It's working great. Can't wait to. I'm gonna use this to game on too, on the Nvidia Shield. I'm gonna see if you can do some live gaming, YouTube. I saw a guy do some YouTube gaming on it, live gaming. I don't know how the hell he did it, but if he can do it, I can do it. Twitch, I'm not really that not that. I don't go on Twitch too much. I think they say you gotta be on there three times a day, 3 times a month, not a day. No, 3 times a week. And you know, I like doing other things too, you know. But okay, now I think that's it. I think we got a good full review. I reviewed the Logitech keyboard, and I reviewed my Nvidia Shield partially. A partial review of my Nvidia Shield too. You got 2 for the price of 1 there. So, and my RCA hybrid laptop, notebook slash tablet. So you got a lot of bang for your buck there. But that's it, guys. I know I said that before, but I think this is it. Let me back out here. You can see all the stuff I was on. I got nothing to hide. Nothing. Let's go back to the home screen. Alright, guys. So, this is it. Until next time, I'm going to try to get some gaming in. And we can have a little more fun here. But, I'll see you. Take care of yourselves.